Did you know that 80% of traditional New Year's resolutions fail by February? But what if I told you there's a better way? Before we dive in, let's do a quick check-in. Grab a pen and write down one thing you want to feel more of in 2025. Got it? Great, because instead of rigid goals, we're focusing on something more meaningful, joyful intentions. Let's explore how journaling can help you turn those intentions into reality. The fresh start of a new year is exciting, isn't it? But focusing only on achievement can feel heavy. Joyful intentions shift the focus to what makes life meaningful. They're about opening your heart to what truly brings you happiness. According to a 2024 Journal of Positive Psychology study, people who practice intentional joy setting are 42% more likely to maintain their habits throughout the year. Last year, I wrote an intention to find joy in small daily moments. Journaling helped me notice these moments, like quiet mornings with tea or laughter during a phone call, and they became the highlight of my year. For example, instead of exercise more, I wrote, dance in my living room for 10 minutes each morning. Small, specific joys make a big difference. Here's a question for you. What's one simple thing that brings you joy? Write it down now. Now that we understand why joy matters, let's explore how to capture it in our journals. Journaling is a powerful way to uncover what truly matters. Here are 3 prompts to help you set joyful intentions. Prompt 1. What habits or activities bring me happiness? When do I feel most energized? Where do I experience peace? Prompt 2. How can I create more space for joy? What can I say no to so I have more time for what I love? Prompt 3. Who inspires my joy? How can I bring more of this person's energy into my life? For example, last year, I realized that spending time outdoors gave me energy. Journaling helped me turn that intention into actions like regular walks and picnics in the park. It's amazing how small changes can lead to big joy. Pause now and write your own joy anchor word. I'll wait. Got it? Share it in the comments. Now that you've started exploring your intentions, here's a creative way to take it further. Let's take this a step further by creating a joy blueprint. Think of it as a garden plan for your happiest year yet. Here's how it works. Vision. Write down your overall vision for a joyful 2025. Be specific. For example, spend more weekends outdoors to recharge and connect with nature. Actions. List 3 to 5 actions that align with this vision. These could be habits like go hiking every Saturday or start a gratitude jar. Obstacles. Identify challenges like a busy schedule and brainstorm solutions. For instance, scheduling outdoor time in advance. Anchor. Choose one word or phrase to remind you of your intention. Mine was delight. Just like planting seeds in a garden, each joy intention needs nurturing to grow. With time and care, they flourish. Your turn. Write down your vision and one action step now. Think about one joyful intention you've set for 2025. How will it shape your year? Here's something special. I'd love for you to write a single sentence describing your intention and add it to our joy journaling wall in the comments. Imagine how inspiring it will be to see everyone's visions. Take a deep breath and imagine one joyful moment you'll create this year. Let it fill you with hope. Before this video ends, write down one habit or action that will bring you joy this year. Then scan the QR code on your screen to download my free 25 journaling prompts. These prompts are designed to help you stay aligned with your joyful intentions all year long. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this video resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more ways to live with purpose and joy. In our next episode, we'll explore the power of gratitude and how it can uplift both you and others. I'll share a simple journaling exercise to help you create moments of connection. I can't wait to share those tips with you. See you soon.